I have been using this brand for a while, and then today they sent me a pack to review. Needless to say, I really know this brand. DAIXI Dreadology. Parting and styling is effortless and it splits like butter for flawless braid. And there are no short hair pieces. All strands of hair align perfectly from ends to tip. No more extra step while braiding. Open it and you're ready to do some hairstyling creations. And guys, there's so much quality in it. 100% human hair, and it can be bleached, dyed, and restyled like natural locks. Also, it's unprocessed human hair, very durable and reusable. I'm going to be doing small twists, and I'll be doing 4 rolls at the back and then about 8 rolls in front. That means it wouldn't be that small, it won't be micro lock, neither would it be big locks. It will be in between being big and being small, so that the hair is a bit full, but it will just be okay. And they sent to me 22 inches of the hair, which means it's going to be a bit longer than normal. You can see how long it's turning out to be now. And I noticed that with the strands, they are all full length. There's nothing like shorter pieces in between, because I've done this hair for several people before, and I found out that there are lots of small pieces that I would not have to hold and hold and hold. See how long it is? But with this hair, it's nice. All of them are long. All the pieces of hair in it, they are all long, and they split like butter. They split nicely, and there's hardly any waste at the end of the day. Also, if you want to bleach this hair to be very easy to bleach, since all the strands are long, all the strands get from end to end, so you can just hold the middle and bleach this end and hold that end and bleach the other end, if you understand what I'm saying. This hair is really so durable, and it's so affordable too, and it's also reusable. I would be reusing my lock when I'm done with this. So I think I'll have to reuse it to do bigger locks, or I could also do smaller locks if I wanted. And the strands feel so soft. They are really, really soft.